This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Unlock the iPhone and open voice memos so you can capture sound immediately. Make sure the app has microphone permission in Settings Privacy Microphone. Without it, you won't record. Also glance at focus and do not disturb so notifications won't interrupt. If you plan to use an external mic or AirPods, connect them now and check they appear as the input. Once done, position the iPhone or mic toward the sound source and get ready to record. Tap the large red record button and begin speaking. You'll see a waveform and timer that show input level and duration. If you need a break, hit pause and resume so segments stay in one file, then press stop to save the memo. For better clarity, use a pop filter or move closer to the mic and adjust your angle. This reduces room noise. After recording, tap the three dots Edit Recording to trim, replace, split, or apply basic enhancements to remove breaths or silence. When you're finished, rename the memo for quick retrieval, mark favorites with the star, and enable iCloud Sync if you want automatic backup across devices. To send the file, tap Share and pick AirDrop, Mail, Messages, or Save to files for editing elsewhere. If playback is silent or levels are wrong, first verify microphone permission and input device, then restart the iPhone. If problems persist, free up storage and try a quick record, often that corrects file or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.